Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment and this video, and big up in yourself. People, me just want to start out by saying rest in peace to these two gentlemen. If you never know, early this morning, there was a police in Jamaica was carrying out an operation in St. Catherine when the police was ambushed by a gunman and these two officers were killed. The other two are in hospital right now in serious condition. So I just want to start out by saying rest in peace to these two officers. People remember, that you have good cops and you have bad cops. So whenever a cop dies, you have to show your respect. Cause remember, these people have family. Also, them kids when them have to go home to. So it's never a good thing when somebody dead. Nobody in general dies. But this was the scene this morning. People, this picture that you're looking at right now is actually a vest that one of the policemen had on. And as you can see by the bullet holes, say some serious machine them youth was firing. They said it was an M16. They had pictures and stuff, but I know I'll post it up on here. So people, I'm going to read an article right now. This was taken from The Loop. If you know on news, latest breaking news and thing, Loop is a good website for check out. Big up in yourself. So here them break it down. 2 policemen are dead and 2 others are in hospital, with at least one, a senior officer, in serious life-threatening condition following an early morning attack by criminals in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Friday. Reports are that a police team from the St. Catherine North Division went to a premises in a Spanish Town community at about 5 a.m. on an operation and came under heavy gunfire from inside the premises. So it's like the man them know them did not come. Further reports are that 4 of the policemen were shot and injured in the shooting. They were rushed to a medical facility where 2 of the policemen were pronounced dead. Jano. And right as a people, you can see police overcome with emotions and things. If you know, say, somebody who you work with, who you always around, and if you just know, say the person is no longer here, that's a hurtful feeling, man. I tell you, people might not have the remorse and I talk about, police this and police that, but whenever somebody dead, you have to feel some sort of way. You see me, people? You have to feel some sort of way. You have to have some sympathy, regardless who the individual is. This is sad, brother, man. Tell you, man. So, people, this other clip that I'm going to show, while they were taking the injured officers to the medical facility or the hospital, the car that they was transporting them in actually ended up flipping over. I don't have no more information on how it flip over or if them sustain more injury on top of what they had from the gunfight. So it's like people, it was just a whole all-around bad scene, everything could have gone wrong or went wrong. Because imagine you get shot and you try to bring them to hospital and the car flip over. So here's the clip, people.
Yo, way dog I go. Way dog I go. This had just gone, dog. That was a man in way dog I go. The dog lets all the seed fall up on the back.
As you can see and hear, people, this brother who I record probably don't even know what happened. Him just probably a walk and see a police car flip over. And I know say that this car was actually taking injured officers to the police station. So him just take out him phone and start record. But the circumstance behind what happened is crazy, man. Also, people, there is a WhatsApp messaging going around where them actually have a picture of the youth that them say did the shooting, and he's a ex-member of the JDF. So them says a soldier boy do it, and this soldier youth, I guess, went to America, migrated to America, and got caught up in a bag of problems. And you know, when you get caught up in a bag of problems in America, you're gonna get deported. So the police basically, the WhatsApp messaging is basically saying, do not approach this individual if you see him. He's considered armed and dangerous, and him basically embodying him gun. Like he's a marksman. Them say he's a top shooter. So people, if you know see this brother, me not post up. It's alleged. So me no want say him do it, and you know it's alleged it's him do it. It's not really confirmed by the Jamaica Constabulary Force say that brother ya do it. It's alleged say him do it. WhatsApp message going around. So if you know seeing people, and if you see the WhatsApp message, don't approach. Cause right now he's considered a wanted man. Alright? So yeah, people, if me get more information, you don't know, me gonna give you an update. And remember, big up on yourself and remember to subscribe. Alright, mad.